Coleman Formula One car. And of course he wants to
We're here with my buddy John Hennessey, and he's just unveiled to the world some 1,600 plus horsepower.
Plus.
What is plus? And what are you doing here, man?
Hey man, we're doing what we do. We make fast cars go faster, including our own.
So there's obviously a purpose behind this. You're trying to do, once again, what Hennessey is best known for, breaking records.
Breaking records. We want to climb the next highest mountain, and we feel like that next highest mountain in the automotive performance world is breaking 300 miles an hour, because 30 years ago, Ferrari had the first road legal car to break 200 miles an hour, the F40, and I don't believe that anybody's going to have a 400 mile an hour road car at any time in the next 100 years. And so we kind of feel like 300 miles an hour is kind of like the Mount Everest of performance, at least in terms of supercars and hypercars. So that's our goal.
So obviously you got a pretty special machine here. Maybe you can tell about it.
Yeah, so this is our Venom F5 power plant. This is a 7.6 liter twin turbo V8 engine producing around 22 pounds of boost. Will produce over 1,600 horsepower. And again, we're going to reserve the final power spec number for the car once we've determined exactly how much power we need to run 301 miles per hour.
And looking at the sponsors you have in the background, Shell and Pennzoil, obviously the fuel is important.
Yep.
But at that many horsepower, the oil has got to be like a huge factor.
Yep. Lubrication is huge when you're trying to run 300 miles an hour and you're turning 1,600 plus horsepower at 7,200 RPM. So having the Pennzoil Platinum synthetic 1060 in our engine. Look, we have plenty of things to worry about. We might have coyotes that we have to dodge on a runway, and making sure that the tires are within spec, and lots of things to focus on to break records, but we don't have to worry about lubrication or fuel in the tank.
Do they actually make a special formulation for you? Is this
the 1060 Pennzoil synthetic that we buy, we get it from Walmart or O'Reilly's. So yeah, it's the same stuff that the public can buy and put in their own car.
So this is going to be a production machine for people to buy?
Correct.
When will it be available?
We'll have customers beginning to take delivery towards the end of 2019.
I thought I had a lot of horsepower at 840 with my Demon. Over 1,600 in the F5. That's John Hennessey. Let's watch what he does. He's going to do it.